Citroen C1 2 2018, and there is something I found out about the fuel system, but it's really disturbing. I had to measure the pressure of the fuel, and then you have to unclip the fuel line. And what I noticed is there was a clip over this, and it's not without any reason. If you have this pressed on, it can just dislock itself. So this clip, which can be put over the line, is absolutely vital. Don't ever get this one together without putting the clip on, because really the line can get separated and you'll have disaster on your hands. Whatever the reason is, I don't know, because I noticed this with the test set, it didn't clip on right, and I had to make other fixes to get a measurement, but it's scary. It can just come off.